About 10 lakh patients sustain burns in India in any particular year after year, for so many years. Of these 10 lakh, 1.4 lakh patients lose their lives for lack of appropriate and timely facilities in terms of treatment. Of these 10 lakhs, 5 to 6 lakh patients get deformed with all kinds of deformities. The neck may get joined, the hand may become like that, the elbows may get stuck like that, or a combined deformity like that, with the mouth constantly open, dripping saliva. It does not allow the patient, who 8 times out of 10 is a woman, 80% of burns occur in women, the marginalized lot, the poorer ones, who cannot afford primary treatment, forget about affording treatment of deformities. And with that, they're non-functional. They can't do their day-to-day morning duties. They can't eat food themselves. They're dependent on others, apart from the fact that they lose all self-esteem. So National Burn Center, along with Rotary Club of Deonar, started a project 4 years ago called Operation Restore. As you just heard, to restore the confidence, to restore physical autonomy, to restore mental fitness. So what we do is, every year we treat about 100 such patients, where surgeons come and offer their services free, anesthetists offer their services free, the Rotary raises the funds and provides the logistics for treatment of these patients. Patients come from all over India. Their travel is paid for by Rotary. The local hospitality is looked after by Rotary. And normally such a patient would be in hospital for a week. We keep them for 1 month. So that not only is their physical deformity corrected and they become functional, but also they undergo counseling, they undergo psychiatric treatment, and they are given a chance to get back to normal. All in all, this is a human project. Janka, would you like to say something?
Nothing much. Dr. Keshwani has covered almost everything that is required of. I would request the sponsors, the CCL, to get onto a little extension. And that extension is making skin donation as an awareness part of it. Because most of the patients die because there is no skin. There is no skin available, and there is no substitute for skin. And skin is taken after the person dies, 6 hours, within 6 hours of his death. There's not at all any social stigma attached to that. But yes, if CCL can make, you as celebrities can make people aware that skin donation is order of the day today, it'll help us a lot. Because this is one way of handling a situation, but to support that, you need skin. That's an appeal to you all. Thank you so much.
The organizers of CCL format and my journalist friends, this is the 6th edition of CCL, and Parle has been Parle is having association with this format right from the first edition. We firstly came in the first year we came in as a presenting sponsor, then we became powered by sponsor, and now this year again we come back as presenting sponsor. This format is growing from strength to strength in popularity, in visibility, in terms of stature. Every year we have seen this growth. And as a marketing organization, we always track the investment. What is the return on the investment we are doing? Because this is a substantial investment we are making. So we track the awareness parameters, the improvement in awareness parameters, improvement in brand equity and image. Every year we've seen that there is improvement in these parameters year after year. That makes us happy as a sponsor. There's a fantastic improvement in visibility in this format by way of there's a better mix of channels now which are airing this tournament. And there's a growing number of audiences which are having a look at this format. And even the popularity terms also, this format has improved very much. In future also, we expect that now as being a presenting sponsor, this tournament will definitely improve in stature and popularity and visibility, which will benefit us as sponsors. And I give all the best wishes to the teams which are playing and the organizers for the coming future.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for being here today. CCL is one of the most viewed entertainment properties in the country and is the second most popular sporting league in this country. And this is with the stats we have from television viewership and on-ground visibility. For the last 5 years, we've been growing year on year because of the broadcasters that we have tied up with and also the participation of the celebrities in the league. Last year, we decided to support 100 Hearts initiative, and which was successful. We sponsored 100 heart surgeries of kids from different regions of the country. And this year, we are taking up 100 Restore 100, where we want to sponsor at least 100 surgeries for the victims, burn victims. Though 100 is a small number with this in the population of this country, we wanted to do something from our bit, and this is a small start from our side. And seeing us, we hope many people would come forward to do something more. And with the suggestion of Rotary, we would also work on popularizing skin donation scheme this year. And I really thank all the players, team ambassadors, team owners for supporting us. And without their support, CCL wouldn't have been what it is today. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Frankly speaking, I was not prepared for this speech. Okay, but since I'm here, well, it's the first time I'm associating officially with the CCL, and it's very interesting for me to be the brand ambassador and not actually a part of a particular industry. I am a born and brought up Sardarni, typical from Delhi. Okay, not from Punjab, but I have my roots back there. So I am there somewhere with all my Punjab-dish hair. And I started my career with Tamil, Telugu, and now venturing into Bollywood. So quite, I'm all over the place to say, actually. So I wish all of them best. As we say, the best man wins, the best team wins. I'll be there shouting, cheering literally my lungs out for all of you. I hope I get some really good entertainment, and that's what I'm looking forward to, and like all of you. Thank you. Thank you, Vishnu, for making me a part of it. Cheers.
Thank you, Tapsi. May I now invite on stage Team Mumbai Heroes. Please welcome Mr. Sohail Khan, Mr. Sunil Shetty, Mr. Bobby Deol, and their captain, Mr. Ritesh Deshmukh, with Mumbai Heroes, brand ambassador, the vivacious Kriti Sanan. We would all love to hear all of you one by one.
This is the one. Hello? Every year we speak about CCL, and I think it's very obvious that what we do and how we play. We just are introducing the Punjab team this time. So we are creating one more hurdle for us because we've played with the Punjab team. We have lost one of our most prominent players to Punjab, that is Sonu. We know his game, and it's a really good format that we're playing North now. So all the teams play. The North teams play North, and the South teams play South, and then we get together for the finals. This is the new thing that has happened. But what I would like to say is what happened today, what we saw about the Restore. Where's Doc? Doc, my skin is yours. And watching that was extremely emotional. And how you guys volunteer your time, this is the least we can do. I'm not saying we, I'm not quoting Mumbai Heroes. This is the least I can do. And whichever form you want me to sign, send it over tomorrow and I'll sign it. Thank you so much. Most welcome, most welcome.
Very good evening to all. I guess Sohail has said a lot and said everything. It's the 6th season, and every season we promise that we'd win the cup. This time we're not going to say anything, so I guess they are going to get the cup. We've lost Sonu, definitely, a huge loss. Jackie Chan has gained him, and so has Punjab. So I hope he doesn't come with a nunchaku or something to play cricket. Yeah, cricket is still played with a bat, Sonu. A good team, welcome, Team Punjab. we've lost Sonu, but we've gained Ritesh Deshmukh. Ritesh is back, and I think it's one of the, it's an awesome feeling to have Ritesh back because he was always that team player who bound the entire team together. So you have two leaders of the Brat Pack now, that is Bobby and Ritesh, so I think we should do really well. We have a new brand ambassador who's going to talk a lot about cricket, and Kriti is going to tell us how to play the game. She was strategizing in the room right now, telling us how to play, the mistakes that we've made. So I think this time we'll learn and do better. And thank you all for being here.
Good evening. First of all, I'd like to welcome everyone here. And I'm glad to be back with Mumbai Heroes. Veer Marathi, I will miss playing this league as a Veer Marathi. But I welcome my dear friend Sonu's team, Punjab Desher, and wish them luck in their first season. I have played 2 seasons with Mumbai Heroes, 3 seasons with Veer Marathi, but I'm the only player to captain 2 sides. So I'm happy to be here. And I'm sure with my first love, Mumbai Heroes, we'll do better. Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm not going to talk cricket at all. But I'll tell you all that later. Yeah, we'll have a separate class. But I'm very, very, very glad to be associated with CCL and to be the face of Mumbai Heroes and supporting my Bollywood team. I think films and cricket, most people in India are very, very passionate about. So I think when they come together, इससे ज़्यादा entertainment मिल नहीं सकता है. And I look forward to having a lot of fun, and I will be cheering for Mumbai Heroes throughout. And I'm be cheering only for Mumbai Heroes. And yeah, I just hope that I get a bit of luck. Probably, I hope so. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mumbai Heroes. You can take a seat. Okay, can we have you, Bobby?
Hi, everybody. It's great to be back for the season 6. I'm really, really happy that it takes a year to come and the year ends very fast. So it's the beginning of the 6th season, and I'm looking forward to it. I don't care who's where. I just love cricket, and I just want to play cricket. And I'm here with some of my beautiful players. Sohail, are you playing this year? Yeah, and I'm glad Ritesh is back. I've never played with him, though I've been in the season for many years, but I'm happy to have him in our team back. And Sonu, all the best, because we're going to beat you all. And may the best team win, but this is our year. So love you guys and have a great year.
Thank you very much, Mumbai Heroes. Well, it's now time for Team Bengal Tigers. May I please request the owner, Mr. Bonnie Kapoor, to come up and say a few words. Please, sir.
Good evening, everybody. There's a lot of good talk that we've heard, some emotional moments that we saw on the screen. I definitely endorse Sohail's view that we have got to take the initiative to promote skin donation. Sohail is ready to sign the form tomorrow. I'm ready to sign the form today. I, on behalf of my team, welcome the Punjab team, Punjab this year. I'm a little confused. You see, I'm a Punjabi by birth, lived in Bombay, earned my earning in Bombay, and I own a Bengal team. When I'm in Calcutta, I tell them, okay, that's my karma movie because my first professional outing was in today what it is called Kolkata. Well, I'm perhaps amongst the lucky few who's been through it all. I was born in UP, brought up in Bombay, Punjabi by birth, and owner of Bengali team. I wish my team this year does better than what it has done past few years. I wish luck to all the teams, especially to Punjab this year. This is their first season, and I hope CCL grows like it has in the past few seasons. All the best to all the players, and thank you for giving us this platform to meet beautiful people from Punjab this time, and I hope they become part of this CCL tournament as we all have become. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. May I now request the Vice Captain of Bhojpuri Dabangs, Mr. Dinesh Lal Yadav, popularly known as Nirua, to come up on stage and speak a few words. Please, sir.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम निरहुआ है और मैं भोजपुरी दबंग टीम से हूं और हमारे सबसे बड़े जो दबंग हैं भोजपुरी टीम के मनोज भैया, वो आज उपस्थित नहीं हो पाए हैं, नहीं तो वो होते तो काफ़ी कुछ बोलते, काफ़ी कुछ बताते। पर यहाँ आज जो भी हम लोगों ने देखा, इंटरटेनमेंट के साथ साथ जो एक अच्छा काम सीसीएल द्वारा किया जा रहा है, सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। जैसा पिछले साल भी हुआ था, हार्ट डिजीज़ के कुछ 100 लोगों के ऑपरेशन में हमने योगदान दिया था सीसीएल के द्वारा। और इस साल जो स्किन डोनेशन के लिए सोहेल भैया ने बताया कि कल फॉर्म साइन करेंगे, हमारे बोनी सर ने कहा कि वो आज साइन करेंगे, तो हम सोच रहे हैं कि हम अभी साइन कर दें, क्योंकि ये अच्छा है, हम सबको फॉलो करते हैं, हमारे जो ऑडियंस है, तो उनमें एक अच्छा मैसेज आएगा और वो इसमें अपनी योगदान देंगे, अपनी भागीदारी देंगे। और हम अपने सोनू भैया को स्वागत करते हैं नई टीम के साथ, पंजाब दी शेर। आपको बहुत बहुत गुड लक और थैंक यू सो मच।
Yeah, hi, good evening, everyone. I think it's always a dream come true for any person to play professional cricket, and especially, you know, when you have a huge audience, live cameras. It was my dream, and thank you so much, CCL, for making this dream come true. I remember when 2 years back, I broke my leg, you know, and I was sitting in the hospital, and I asked my doctor, you know, by the next season, would I be able to get back on the pitch? And I remember I met Ritesh for the first time when we were playing in Bombay. I had 2 plates and 17 screws in my leg, and I was limping, but I was still trying to bowl. So I think that's the love for cricket which brings us back on the pitch. And you know, all thanks to Sohail Bhai, Vishnu, and you know, I think the whole CCL people who actually thought and made all these dreams come true.
We always thought of getting Punjab team from past 2 years, and this year finally it's happening. I played with Mumbai, and they're all my brothers, and thoroughly enjoyed all these years. And this time playing for Punjab, but I'm definitely going to cheer for Bombay also because they're all my brothers, and I love them very, very much. Thank you, Bobby Paji. But we're really looking forward, and I'm sure when we have the first match, which is with Mumbai, and I'm going to cheer for Mumbai also, and I'm going to cheer for Punjab also, and we are going to give our best, and definitely going to make you have a great game to see, and we'll try our level best to entertain, and we'll try our level best to have a great game. So thank you so much for supporting us, and hope to see you on the field very, very soon. And I would like to ask Puneetji and Hansraj sir to share a word, because they are the people who made Punjab team possible. So sir, please. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everybody. I'm privileged and honored to be a part of CCL 2016. As a co-owner of the team, I'm looking forward to have a great time ahead in the same league. And as you all know that we are new to this game, this is our debut. We need your love and support. That's what we are looking for, Bobby Paji, Sunil ji, Sohail Paji, Ritesh ji. Thank you, Boni ji. Thank you, sir, ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤੇ ਪਰ ਗੇਮ ਤਾਂ ਗੇਮ ਹੈ ਸਰ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਡਟ ਕੇ ਖੇਡਾਂਗੇ ਜ਼ਰਾ ਵਫਾਦਾਰ ਹੈ ਮਿੱਟੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਾਲੀ ਵਫਾਦਾਰ ਹੈ ਖੂਨ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਯਾਰੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਕਿਤੇ ਪਰ ਵੈਰ ਵੀ ਮੰਨਣਾ ਪਊ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਜੀ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ
Sorry, can we have Mr. Sunil Shetty also up? Oh, okay.
Bobby.
क्या फर्क इसमें सबको उठा रहे थे कि बैठने का मौका मिलेगा देखो 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 वहां देखो ब्रिटिश फ्लैग का फोन है अंग्रेज अंग्रेज
Whoever has a question, please raise your hands and we'll go one by one with them.
Hello everyone. Ritesh, I have a question for you.
Where are you?
Yeah.
Okay,
Can you
hello,
please
hi.
stand up?
Yes, it's okay, I can see you.
Okay. तो ऐसा क्या वजह था जो आप वीर मराठी छोड़ के वापस इसमें
ये रिएक्शन आपके सवाल के लिए नहीं था फिर भी मैं जवाब देना चाहूँगा दो चीज़ें हो रही थी उस वक्त एक ये कि ये जो फॉर्मेट है इसमें 8 टीम्स ही आ सकती हैं और एक नई टीम आने का जब सोचा गया कि पंजाब को भी आना है और दूसरी बात ये हो रही थी कि मराठी और मुंबई ये एक ही स्टेट में आते हैं तो काफ़ी सारा टैलेंट ओवरलैप हो रहा था तो देयर वाज अ डिस्कशन एंड यूनानिमस डिसीजन कि शायद मराठी को एक स्टेप पीछे लेकर मराठी और मुंबई का टैलेंट मिक्स करके हम लोग एक टीम बनाए एंड वी आर हैप्पी टू वेलकम पंजाब दे शेयर इन CCL 6 So it was a great initiative, and I'm glad that Mumbai has welcomed Marathi talent into their fold, and we are playing as Mumbai Heroes proudly. So.
ओके, तो मराठी टीम में स्टार्स भी रहेंगे मराठी इसके?
हाँ बिल्कुल, सभी आ रहे हैं, अभी सिलेक्शन होगा, and whoever plays the best, I'm sure we'll make a comprehensive team. Thank you.
थैंक यू.
कृति, हाय रवि, जानना चाहेंगे आपको क्रिकेट में कितनी रुचि है, क्या पहले से आप क्रिकेट देखना पसंद करती हैं और क्रिकेटर्स में कौन कौन पसंद है आपको?
मैं एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा स्पोर्ट्स में तो नहीं हूँ, बट नहीं, मैं खेलती भी नहीं हूँ. But I really like whatever games I've gone and watched. I've really enjoyed that. और वर्ल्ड कप के टाइम पे मैं काफ़ी देखती हूँ, फॉलो करती हूँ, बट आगे पीछे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिलता है. बट आई थिंक इट्स अ गेम दैट आई थिंक एवरीवन एंजॉयज, एंड स्पेशली अगर आप लाइव देख रहे हो तो ज़्यादा फन होता है, आई फील. एंड सॉरी, वाज देयर अनदर पार्ट ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन दैट आई मिस्ड ऑन? आजू बाजू वालों में से नाम लो या इंडिया की क्रिकेट टीम का नाम लो? Well, Indian cricketers, of course, Sachin Tendulkar and MS Dhoni and Virat.
ये क्वेश्चन कृति और तापसी आप दोनों से है.
आप कहाँ हो?
जैसा आपने कहा कि क्रिकेट और सिनेमा मिल जाते हैं तो एक ह्यूज ऑडियंस क्रिएट करते हैं, और ये भी देखा गया कि क्रिकेटर और एक्ट्रेसेस भी जब जुड़ती हैं तो वो एक ह्यूज फोटो अपॉर्चुनिटीज और दूसरी चीजें करती हैं. तो इस तरह जैसा
एक सेकंड, आपने दूसरा क्या बोला? हाँ,
क्रिकेटर एंड एक्ट्रेसेस,
क्या आगे? वो
जब उनकी बॉन्डिंग होती है तो उसको भी एक अलग नजरिए से देखा जाता है कि उसमें ये कहा जाता है कि एक्स्ट्रा
किस नजरिए से देखा जाता है?
एक्स्ट्रा अटेंशन पाने की एक कवायद कहा जाता है.
क्या कहा जाता है?
कोशिश. किस चीज की कोशिश? जैसे माना रिसेंटली विराट कोहली और अनुष्का शर्मा के बॉन्डिंग है, तो उसको किस तरह से देखती हैं आप कि ये क्रिकेटर और एक्ट्रेस की बॉन्डिंग को किस तरह देखती हैं आप?
एक्स्ट्रा इनिंग्स.
तापसी और कृति, तापसी एंड कृति से कृति से और तापसी से एक आंसर चाह रहा हूं मैं.
आई थिंक कोई भी प्रोफेशन से आप हो, एक लड़के लड़की की बॉन्डिंग जैसी नॉर्मली होती है वैसी होती है. That's what I feel.
नहीं, in the sense. और तापसी आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, मेरे हिसाब से क्रिकेट और बॉलीवुड या फॉर दैट मैटर इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, ये दो ही रिलीजन्स हैं मेजरली हमारी कंट्री के अंदर, और ये जब दोनों साथ में ऑब्वियसली आएंगे तो हर तरह की न्यूज़ बनती है. आप मेरे से मेरा पर्सनल नज़रिया पूछेंगे तो मतलब मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस तो नहीं है इसको लेके. हालांकि मैं बहुत सारे स्पोर्ट्स फॉलो करती हूँ, बाकी सारे स्पोर्ट्स दिमाग से देखती हूँ, क्रिकेट दिल से देखती हूँ. और मतलब बॉन्डिंग की तरह जिनकी है, आई अप्रिशिएट इट यार. मतलब प्रॉब्लम क्या है उसके अंदर? आपको प्रॉब्लम है कुछ? नहीं तो फिर मतलब अच्छी है जो है, चल रही है, तो भाई किसी को क्या परेशानी है उसी से? नहीं, मेरा अभी चांस नहीं लगा और फ्यूचर में नहीं लग रहा कि होगा. तो अगर होगा तो आप मुझे नंबर दे दीजिए, मैं आपको बता दूंगी फोन करके, ठीक है? हाँ जी.
Sohail, I have a question for you. Sohail, right here.
Yeah.
So Sohail, we all are missing Uma Qureshi. Is she gonna be the part of this season also?
Stand up now. Let me see you first. Lovely. Stand up. Don't get scared. Stand. No, unfortunately, she can't be a part of this season is because we don't have her dates. And but her brother's going to be playing for us. And we can't actually afford a lot of brand ambassadors. So we got Kirti this year, and we've got who are the Tapsi this year, and then we've got a lot of people who will volunteer to come according to the dates. If Uma's free in either of the dates, we've got 3 league games. It's just that when you have a brand ambassador, you expect them to be there for all the days and to promote the league. So she wanted to be a poster girl for the league. That's why, unfortunately, she can't play. She can't be there this year. But yeah, and then I think for the first game we've got a big lineup coming up. Second, and for the last league game. Most welcome.
ओके रितेश या जेनेलिया हर साल आपको सपोर्ट करने आती है, तो कब वो प्लान कर रही है आपके साथ खेलने के लिए भी?
मेरे साथ खेलने के लिए
आपकी टीम में या व्हाटएवर इन सीसीएल?
हम पब्लिक में नहीं खेलते.
इन सीसीएल
I hope she joins and cheers me when I'm playing on the ground.
ओके
Thank you.
दिनेश जी, ये क्वेश्चन आपके लिए है. भोजपुरी दबंग हमेशा चर्चे में रहती है. इस बार मराठी टीम भी आउट होकर पंजाबी टीम आ रही है. क्या कहेंगे, किसको इस बार छक्के छुड़ाने वाले हैं आप?
आपके सवाल का मतलब मैं समझ रहा हूं. आप लोग ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड होते थे जब रितेश भैया की टीम से हमारा मैच होता था, पर इस बार रितेश जी मुंबई हीरोज में हैं और नई टीम जो आई है उनका हम स्वागत करेंगे. पहला मैच ही पंजाब दी सेठ से हमारा है, तो उनका स्वागत करेंगे. और मुझे लगता है कि इस बार आप लोगों को और भी अच्छा देखने को मिलेगा. पहले आपने जितना देखा हम लोगों को खेलते हुए, सबसे एक बात बताना चाहूँगा, सबसे ज़्यादा प्रेशर हमारे ऊपर ही होता है, क्योंकि हम लोग गांव से आए हैं, रीजनल टीम है हमारी. तो वहाँ लोगों को लगता है जब हम जाते हैं गांव में, तो पूछते हैं कि फिल्म में तो आप लोग उड़ते हो, जब आपके ऊपर से बॉल जाती है तो आप उड़ के पकड़ते क्यों नहीं हो? तो उनको हम कुछ कह नहीं पाते हैं, बस यही कहते हैं कि वो नियम नहीं है वहाँ पे. अगर उड़ के पकड़ेंगे तो हमें बाहर निकाल दिया जाएगा. तो इस बार हम लोग बहुत प्रेशर में हैं और हम तैयारी में हैं कि उड़े नहीं, फिर भी कम से कम कुछ अच्छा खेल दिखा सकें और अपने फैंस को और ऑडियंस को ज़्यादा एंटरटेन कर सकें. थैंक यू.
सोनू सर, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है. अब तक आप मुंबई हीरोज में खेल रहे थे, लेकिन अब आप पंजाब के कैप्टन हैं, तो कितना प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है? बिकॉज एक टीम में खेलना और एक टीम को लेकर चलना दो अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं, तो कितना प्रेशर है आप पे?
प्रेशर है क्योंकि पहली दफ़ा आ रहे हैं तो परफॉर्म अच्छा करना है. और पहली दफ़ा सब प्लेयर्स एक दूसरे के साथ खेलेंगे. मुझे याद है कि जब हमने पहली दफ़ा मुंबई के लिए खेला था तो इतनी जान पहचान नहीं थी, एक दूसरे की गेम्स को हम लोग उतना समझते नहीं थे, लेकिन फिर धीरे धीरे जैसे सीजन्स पास हुए तो पता चला. तो वो प्रेशर ज़रूर रहेगा, पहली दफ़ा हम लोग खेल रहे हैं, लेकिन जुनून है, उत्साह है सब में बहुत. तो आई थिंक दैट विल हेल्प अस, क्योंकि पहली बार खेलना है तो अच्छा परफॉर्म करने की एक अलग सा जुनून है सब प्लेयर्स में. लेकिन जैसे आपने बोला कि मुंबई हीरोज़ की, मुझे आज भी लगता है कि मेरी ही टीम है, मेरे ही सब भाई हैं. तो मुश्किल ज़रूर रहेगा, क्योंकि जब विकेट लेंगे तो भी बहुत खुश होते हुए दिल दुखेगा, और जब कोई स्कोर मारेगा तो भी लगेगा. तो आई थिंक दैट्स USP ऑफ CCL कि इसमें एक स्पिरिट तो है सब में, लेकिन एक अपनापन इतना ज़्यादा है सब में कि अगर आप ऑफ फील्ड सबको देखेंगे, सब उतना ही साथ में बैठते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं. जो पार्टीज होती हैं उसके बाद वैसे ही एक टीम की तरह खेलते हैं. तो एक रीयूनियन रहती है सभी इंडस्ट्रीज की, जिसका पूरे साल इंतज़ार रहता है हर भाषा के एक्टर्स को. सो मैं भी इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ कि इस बार जब हमारे पंजाब के भाई बाकी टीमों से मुलाकात करेंगे तो एक नई बॉन्डिंग होगी, एंड वी आर ऑल लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट.
हाय सोहेल, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, सलमान खान सुल्तान फिल्म में बिजी है, तो जैसे कि वो हमेशा सपोर्ट करते हैं CCL को, इस बार भी क्या वो नज़र आएंगे मैदान पर?
हाँ, as I said, coming back to the dates issue of all the actors, जो हमारा होम ग्राउंड है वो अहमदाबाद है. तो जो डेट हमें मिली है सलमान भाई की, ही इज़ द पोस्टर बॉय ऑफ CCL, बट जो एक डेट मिला है हमें दैट ही कैन कम टू आवर होम ग्राउंड, दैट इज़ अहमदाबाद. तो इंशाल्लाह विल सी हिम ऑन द 30th. एंड अगर हम सेमीफाइनल्स या फाइनल्स में आते हैं So that is something that I have kept spare, that inshallah he'll come for that also.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, and we'll end the Q&A here now.
Hi, my question is for Boni sir. So like you said, you're a Punjabi at heart and you're born and brought up in Bombay. So what brought you to get associated with the Bengal team?
You didn't hear me fully. I said I started my professional journey from Calcutta. So that's how, that's how I'm connected to Bengal. And
Is the professional connection primarily?
well, now it's an emotional connection. It started as my professional journey started from Bengal. So that's the reason I'm very happy and comfortable being the owner of Punjab team with the co-owner Rajesh Shah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. We'll have to end the Q&A here. I know everyone's enjoying it, but we are short on time. Thank you very much, everyone, and we would like to thank our sponsors, Parle 2020 Cookies, Boost Carbon, and broadcast partners, Colors. It was a pleasure having you all here, and we're going to see you at CCL. Thank you and good night.
Let's